Alright, this is second flight. Maiden was successful. Never saw the maiden with the camera. Whoa. This is Jimmy's P51, 1400 millimeter.
Slow flyer.
Slow flyer, as Andy would say, it's a slow flyer.
At full throttle.
Gee, that is slow. It's a good scale flyer, you would say. I wonder why he had such a tough time flying at that.
Oh, I found a lot of things that was making it tough.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I remember the throws were really bad, you know, his settings. If I can get a nice close-up on this all the time. Nice thing about videotaping this plane is I can see the red.
I'll put a different battery in it, see if it makes a difference.
Is that 6-cell right now?
No, it's 4-cell.
It's a 4-cell?
But it seems like it's flying about half throttle.
Oh gosh.
That's full.
What size 4-cell?
3500.
Oh, probably could use a 5000. Did you have to do a lot of trimming on flight?
No, just elevator.
Okay.
A little bit on, I mean, just, yeah, elevator. A little bit on ailerons, but not much.
Can this fly on a 6-cell?
No.
Or too much? Blow the ESC.
Okay, we're gonna land it down.
Okay, let's get a nice full blue view on that one. Gee, that's smooth. Very nice. Nice flight, Andy.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good job. Good team effort. Jimmy should be proud. Okay. Out.